All right, everyone. As you know, KHM at Home has become one of our favorite segments. Um, this week is no different. And live from her kitchen is Dezaree Stack to make her own recipe for the Moscow Mule.
Hey, Carolyn, how are you? Thanks for having
I'm
me today.
good. Look at the kitchen setup with the plants and
Cleveland,
everything.
Ohio. Welcome. So it's National Moscow Mule Day, and if anyone knows anything about me, if you've met me before, you'll know that Moscow mules are about one of the only things that I'll actually drink. So I'm so excited you got to have me here today. Thank you so much.
All right, so what do we have there?
So we have some ice cubes, a little bit of vodka, ginger beer of your choice. I got this from Target actually, and I like it a lot, so I'm excited about it. Some lime juice, or if you like sweets, you could also use sweetened lime juice. I've been kind of more on the sour side recently, so I've been using just regular lime juice. And I should have a lime here today, but we have a lemon because I kind of slacked there. So I'm going to also use a copper mug. I full-heartedly believe that a Moscow Mule is not the same without the copper mug. It does taste different for those of you that want to know. So I'm going to throw some ice cubes in there, probably, 5. I have the little cubes. And then I'm going to take my vodka. I heard Smirnoff was the original, right?
Right, but I don't know many that enjoy Smirnoff.
Yeah, no one does. They think it makes me break out in a hive. So I'm going to use Tito's. And you're going to use maybe a shot, maybe 4, depending on the day you're having. So, just go ahead and do it up. And then I'm going to use the whole little can. This is only 7.5 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Very nice. And then just a little spritz of lime juice. If you want to give it a stir, you can. I got a little spoon. And then just a little wedge for garnish, just to feel like I'm out having a great time in Mexico or somewhere else. Cheers.
Yay, cheers. And so, Dezaree, do you know why it's called a Moscow Mule?
I actually don't.
Well, it's the 3 M's. What I should have asked you is,
the gang sign.
The great game. What I should have asked is, do you know where it originated?
I've always thought that it came from Russia, if we're being honest, because of Moscow. So it was either Russia or England, in my opinion. What do you think?
But it's actually, there's two answers. New York, the Chatham Hotel, or it's also, some people also say Los Angeles. But you're right. It's always, it should be served in a copper mug because it keeps it cold.
There's no other way.
Interestingly enough, it's a very popular drink with women, and it is Women's History Month. So cheers.
Woo! Cheers to all the hardworking ladies that we know and love.
Yes.
So thanks, Carolyn, for having me here today.
Thank you. And as you guys can see, that was an